On September 28, 2018, a magnitude 7.5 earthquake struck central Sulawesi province, Indonesia. The epicenter was 80 kilometers north of the provincial capital, Palu. The tremor caused massive destruction, claiming 4,547 lives, afflicting 172,999 people, and destroying about 100,000 homes. 4 days after the earthquake, Indonesia's National Development Planning Agency, which leads recovery and reconstruction efforts, asked JICA for support to swiftly formulate a reconstruction master plan. They were asking only Japan because of its extensive experience following the Great East Japan earthquake. Under the principle of never repeating the occurrence of the same damage, it is extremely important when developing reconstruction master plans to establish policies based on the concept of Build Back Better. A request from the Indonesian government also resulted in JICA implementing the Project for Development of Regional Disaster Risk Resilience Plan in Central Sulawesi for Palu City and Sigi and Donggala regencies for about 3 years starting in December 2018.
From JICA support, we hope that we can learn from Japanese experience how to deal with the disaster. The second one is to get knowledge, because knowledge is very important for recovery. The third one is regarding the best practices. So how to develop or to rehabilitate and reconstruction and during the post-disaster in Central Sulawesi.
JICA believed that in addition to physical reconstruction, an aim should be to restore the communities divided by disaster. To achieve this, it was necessary to apply to Central Sulawesi the experiences and learning of municipalities that underwent recovery and reconstruction from the 2011 Great East Japan earthquake.
急がば回れという考えに基づいて丁寧に住民の方々に説明して納得してもらった上で工事を進める、復興まちづくりを進めるというのが最も寛容なことだと思ってこれまで取り組んでまいりました。
数多く話し合いを重ねることによって、住民の皆さんに理解していただく部分と市役所の方で、新たに住民のニーズっていうのを把握できて計画に取り入れていくことができたことと、そういうのがだんだん生まれてきたかなというふうに思います。
Based on such approaches and JICA's connection with Japanese local governments, a decision was made for JICA to provide community restoration and livelihood recovery support. Expanding the approaches taken in Central Sulawesi to other districts required a reference manual, primarily for use by local government staff, on community restoration and livelihood recovery support.
I have to convey that all aspects of the manual is useful and important as a guideline to replicate such activities under similar circumstances. Nevertheless, there are some valuable lessons from the manual. First, the key approach of the project implementation is people-centered. The spirit of mutual assistance, sustainability, transparency, and accountability.
今回の復興支援を通じてですね、JICA が釜石市さんや東松島市さんとインドネシアの中部スラビシの皆さん、それからこれからまた起こるであろう被災地、あるいは地方創生といった課題を持っている途上国の皆さんとつないでいく、非常に尊いですね、モデル的な取り組みっていうのが、この中部スラビシ地震でもできたのではないかなと思います。
There is a long road ahead for people living in disaster-affected areas as they help each other and create a life. However, progress will be made steadily, one step at a time. Stepping forward together.